So we're down here in Catford on the Corbett estate. Scaffold's finally down now on our Pebbledash removal project. We finished this project around about 4 months ago. We let the customer keep the scaffolding up while he was waiting for his new windows to be put in, so there was a long delay for the window company to fit their new windows, so it was easier for them to keep the scaffolding up. So we've left the scaffolding up for them for a few months free of charge. Came back and just finished the collar joints around the new windows for them. So what we did on this project, if you scroll back on our previous videos, we removed all of the Pebbledash from the front of this property. Once all of the Pebbledash was removed, we literally had to replace every single brick on the front of this property, around about 3,500 bricks in total. So the brickwork underneath was in such bad condition, it was either take it back to brick and replace every single brick, or maybe re-render it in a lime render. Customers definitely wanted to go back to brick, so we had to tie in every single brick on the front of this facade. So literally very time consuming job. The results that now has come out look absolutely fantastic, so they're over the moon. They did decide to go back to brick. Stonework's all been painted and decorated, new fascia board, gutter and downpipe. It looks really well now, considering how it used to look, and especially once all of that Pebbledash was taken off. So customers over the moon. They're just waiting now to have a new driveway finished, just to complete this project off, not done by us, but just to finish off this lovely transformation. And then once again, another project finished to the highest standard as always. Got another 3 houses to start on this road on the Corbett estate after Christmas, once again off the back of our work that they've seen us doing. I think this is the 4th house we've done on Broadfield Road this year, so another 3 to start after Christmas. So really happy with how this project's come out. Once again, another project finished to the highest standard. Real challenging job this one, but like I say, all worth it in the end. Results are fantastic. So if you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, or you've got any questions, give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.